Hi lovies, if you want to see how I installed these faux locks and achieve these different hairstyles, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your girl Logan, Loby912, CmoreLeaux, whatever you want to call me. I'm back with another video. This video is going to be how I did these crochet braids. I purposely left these two out so that I can show you how I did it on camera. I'm going to make this as fast as possible. I really don't like really long tutorials, so this is going to be a how-to, and then afterwards I'm going to discuss my thoughts. You want to call me. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on these 24-inch new lock extensions, faux locks that I got from Amazon. I like them. They're really lightweight. Basically what I did was I did individuals in the front, in the back I did cornrows. So I purposely left these two out so that I can show you on camera how I do it. I did it in under 2 hours, super easy. Before I get into the tutorial, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the company. Like I said, this is the new locks, new faux locks, 24 inches. It comes, these things are long. They're really long. And I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to extend, because like I said, they are 24 inches. You can make them 48, depending on you know, that's up to you. I'm going to show you an easy method on how to crochet. So when it came in a package like this. It came just like this. Of course it has the label, what's on there. Dang, there's a glow. There's a yeah. So yes, so they came in a 1B. The hair came in like this. I got 6 of these for, I don't remember. I'll put how much they were on the side somewhere. But yeah, I got 6 of these, and it also came with a crochet needle. So now I'm gonna show you how I do this. How I do this. So I'm going to get closer, and I'll probably zoom in too. So like I said, the front I did individually. First thing you're gonna wanna do is to open up the lock. There is a hole right here. You wanna open that up. Then you wanna take your crochet needle, place it in the center of the braid. Close your latch. Take your latch off your lock, then tighten. So it should look like this. So this is my hair, this is the faux lock. Then you're gonna take it inch by inch and basically crochet your hair within the lock. So basically what I do is I go in with the latch open, go in, go in, and then I put my hair on the latch, close the latch, pull my hair through, and bam, it's literally that easy. And you just keep going until you don't see your hair anymore. It's so easy, guys. I'm telling you, like, close the latch, pull it through. Okay? So I got a little bit more, little of my hair left. Keep going. So what I like about this hair, It's lightweight. It feels good. I'm not a big fan of wearing crochet braids anymore. I used to be a really huge fan of it. I should say I'm not a big fan of crochet locks, only because to me, I don't like how it looks on me. I love locks. My mom has locks. Well, she had locks for a long time, and they were almost butt length, tail length. I have friends who have locks. I think locks are beautiful, but I'm just used to wearing weave, and I really like it because it's different for me to have this style. But yeah, it's super easy. It's lightweight. I still get the length that I like. Now, would I personally lock up? No, because I'm gonna miss my weave. Not saying that you can't get a sew-in or wear a wig with extensions, because I've seen it done, but to me sometimes the installs they look a little humpy at the top. So I've seen people get braids on locks. I've seen people get sew-ins, get all kinds of things done. So anything's possible. Like I said, this is a different look for me. I'm used to having hair in my face. I'm used to having a side part, middle part. Just some type of weave, you know? I was not a fan of faux locks on myself. I had them once for like 2 days and I took them out. And I was basically wrapping each individual braid with the synthetic hair, and I was actually doing goddess locks. So I was braiding it with the curly hair, then wrapping each individual braid with some marley hair, synthetic hair, and that took forever. And my hair was hurting, my head was pounding. I didn't like how they looked on me, so I just took them out, and it was a waste of time. Compared to these that are lightweight, they're really cute. I get compliments on them. They don't look as natural as the wrapping method, but I still like them because it's cute and it looks good on me. Like, I really like it. Truly, I do. Like I said, this is from new locks, new faux locks in 24 inches. I got these from Amazon. They came six packs, 6 bundles. I literally used 3, and I still have this much from the 3rd pack. And I have 3 left. Like, I still have a lot of hair left. I'm probably gonna go back in and use this little bit to fill in the back. But I like it. You can do different styles when you do the method that I did, as far as doing individuals in the front and crocheting the back. Yeah, so you can split it down in the middle. You can wear a side peasy, you feel me? You can do a cute donut. Y'all know I like donuts. Do a little cute bun. You feel me? Do a little cute 1-2. Little cute 1-2. Or you can do little puffs. So you can literally, this style is so versatile. If you do the method that I did, as far as doing individuals in the front, and individuals in the front and comb rolling in the back, you won't lose. I'm telling you, sis. Bruh. You won't lose. It'll look a tad more natural if you do it that way. Like, it is so versatile. Cause like I said, you can take cause it's so full in the bag, you can take the faux locks and it'll hide the individual cornrows in the back. So yeah, I like it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial / review. Don't forget to click the description box so that you can find out where this is from, where the hair is from. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, like. Don't forget to tell a friend, and come back again. Trace not living in a 9. We nothing at bucking because I got a 9. You wasting my time. I know what to do. And I'm talking to you.